everyone, welcome to Course Vourse Google Ads series. So today we will be talking about introduction to Google Ads and everything that you need to know about this tool, how this tool can help you in generating a lots of leads and sales. So we'll discuss everything in detail. So Google Ads is basically a key digital marketing tool which helps any kind of a business to generate a lots of meaningful traffic on their website. You can use this tool to sell your product, services, raise awareness, and increase traffic on the website. So let's look at a definition of Google Ads, how Google defines it. So this is a docsupport.google.com wherein you get all the information related to Google Ads from A to Z, and this is very transparent. This information is something which you can rely on because this directly comes from Google. So it says that Google Ads is a Google online advertising program. Through Google Ads, you can create online ads to reach people exactly when they are interested in the product and services that you offer. So whenever you create a ads on Google, it runs on different platforms. We have search, we have display, we have YouTube, we have shopping, we have app, we have Gmail, and a lot of platforms wherein you can promote your product and services. So we get a lot of relevant traffic through Google Ads. How? Because there are different targeting options available in the market in the Google Ads. We have keyword targeting, we have audience targeting, we have demographic, we have interest based targeting. We can customize the campaign according to our needs. We can add age targeting, we can target gender wise. So there are n number of options through which we can customize our campaign. The most common is a search campaign, and we get a lot of good relevancy there because whenever somebody is searching for a keyword for your service, for example, I have AC repair services, and whenever somebody looking for AC repair near me, so there are some sponsored ads which we see. Whenever you see sponsored, this is basically by Google. So when I search for AC repair near me, I can see this ad. So this is sponsored. So I can just click on this ad. I can visit the website. I can call the customer directly. And because I'm looking for AC repair services, so I am a relevant customer for this person, right? So Google Ads is a great tool. We will talk about in the upcoming videos how do we create different campaigns, how do we optimize each and every campaign. So we'll create videos on each and every campaign and the optimization. Firstly, I'll show you how we log into Google Ads. So there is option for ads.google.com. So this is how you navigate yourself, and this is the page that you see at first. If you're logging for the first time, so you have to click on start now and you have to create an account. If you have already account, then you can probably just sign in, and this will give you a page like this. So this is the older account which is already cancelled that I'm using, just to show you all the things like the dimensions and the metrics. But whenever you create account, this will be pretty blank. So we on the left hand side we can see we have different options. We have overview, recommendation, insights, and reports, campaign. So this is basically different features which we will talk about in detail. But for now, I will show you that whenever you create a new campaign, so we have different objectives into the Google Ads. We have sales. When if you have an e-commerce website, for example, if you are dealing in clothing, so this is a campaign for you through which you can run e-commerce ads and generate sales. If you have a real estate business, if you have a digital marketing agency or anything, if you want to generate leads through calls or a submit lead form, then you can go for a leads campaign. If you have new to the business, if your business is very new and you want to generate a lot of traffic on your website, then you can go for a website traffic option. If you have an app, you want people to look into your app and you want them to download and do engagement, then you can go for app promotion. If you have some awareness that you want to do, so you can go for this awareness and consideration, and then you can run display and YouTube campaigns accordingly. If you have a store, if I have a grocery store, if I have a ACs or anything which I want to sell in person, so I can go for local store visit, which will increase the footfalls in your store. And if you are very new to Google Ads, you probably don't know how to create ads, you can go for a create a campaign without guidance, so that Google will automatically understand what could be your conversion, and then it can run the ad accordingly, or maybe a smart campaign. But I won't suggest this. I would say we will go for the particular objectives and will create campaigns accordingly. So in the upcoming videos I will be creating videos on each and every campaign, how do we create it from start to scratch, and I will share the best practices that I have according to my expertise from the past experience. So stay tuned, do subscribe this channel. Going forward, there is a lot of content that I have created. So keep supporting. Thank you and subscribe Course Wars.